This weekend, we're at VanlifeEats Big Picnic.
Yay!
Lots to see and lots to do. We were really spoiled for choice. Our first time attending the Big Picnic. The lush greenery of the copse provided wonderful shade for the picnic and a place to be entertained. Plenty of stalls to shop at.
Now that's what you call a fire pit.
Still warm.
Toilets and recycling facilities were available in our field. The Elsan point was not far away either. Here's our van in the bottom field. An axe, handy. Every van should have one. What a lovely looking van. Vanlife Eats. We'll be back.
Hi guys.
Hello.
How's your weekend been?
It's been amazing, hasn't it?
It has.
Really, really good. Really, it's great to see everyone having a great time, and we've been running around a little bit, but still having enough time to enjoy ourselves as
Have
well.
you managed to actually enjoy it as well as kind of?
We have, and
really
we've really
have.
been able to speak to everybody and catch up with everybody, and that's been really lovely, hasn't it? That's the side of it that we really enjoy about it. So yeah, it's been lovely. Have you guys enjoyed it?
It's been amazing.
Oh,
yeah,
fantastic.
It's the first one we've been to, so yeah.
A bit of
Brilliant.
stress when we got here and realised we didn't print out our tickets.
That's all right.
We sorted it.
So what would you say so far has been your highlight of your weekend?
I think the comments, actually, everyone's saying it's been the festival of the year, and everyone's saying how much they are having the best time ever. That's
Makes it worthwhile, doesn't it?
it really does. It does.
And one word to describe it. One word.
For me, it's family. It just feels like a little family here. Everyone's got their little community. Everyone's saying they've made new friends, and I think that's the thing that I've taken away from it.
Brilliant.
Yeah, I agree to that.
Compared to the other festivals, the other van life festivals, it's a bit smaller, but it feels more friendly, it feels more personable, and I think you get a better chance to see everything and to mix with people.
That's it.
Yeah, that's what we want.
It is. I mean, food's our niche, and food brings people together, and we wanted to kind of simulate that, almost like an Italian family all getting together, and someone pulls out a guitar and all sitting around the table and eating together. We wanted to replicate that into a van life festival.
I'll tell you what, you've achieved it.
Thank
you very much,
Thank you very
guys.
much.
Thank you.
Guys.
Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Thank you.
We recently got back from Vanlife Eats Big Picnic, and we had a pretty good time when we were there.
Yeah, it was great.
It was.
We've been to 3 or 4 festivals this year, and that was by far my most favourite one that we've been to.
It was of a medium sort of size, so it wasn't a super-sized Stratford event, it wasn't a small event.
Not saying anything against it. We're not saying, oh, it's only a small festival. We loved it.
It was a perfectly sized festival.
It was,
Yeah.
and it just had a really good family feel. It was friendly. It made it easy to socialise, and also it enabled us to actually go out and about and see all of the things on offer and
Yes.
attend some of the talks and demonstrations, which was really good.
I think, our only regret is that we didn't get and do more of that. We haven't been really eating that healthily recently, and this is something we like to change because this had an impact on the enjoyment of the festival. We weren't able to go and participate in some of the things that we would have liked to have done or socialized with as many people for as long as we would like to have done. We were a late arrival. Our van was parked at the bottom of the festival.
I think they called that the quiet area.
Yes, it was called the quiet area.
We'd already decided that we wanted to adapt to a healthier lifestyle, which included changing our eating habits. We're considering going
Either pescatarian, flexitarian,
Flexitarian, that's
semi-vegetarian.
I'm not a great lover of meat, it has to be said, but I do like fish and I do like chicken.
And a bit of sausage.
So we thought that Vanlife Eats would be the perfect opportunity for us to see what other people cook in their vans. We saw a couple of demonstrations. Unfortunately, we did miss out on one earlier on in the day, which I wish we had seen, but
Yeah, we had a bit of an unfortunate incident with arriving with an empty gas canister, didn't we?
Yeah, we had to get up Saturday morning and go off at, well, I think we left at about 8 o'clock.
Yep.
In the search of some LPG.
It was successful. It was a 30-mile round trip. We got a full tank because it was absolutely empty. A bit pricey at the moment, but it was still only £18.
Yeah, we just need to keep an eye on that.
Keep an eye on the little gauge down here, which is only somewhat accurate.
Yeah,
but if it's showing a red light, I think it means it's empty.
Yeah, it's not the most reliable, but yeah, if it's red, I think.
Sure.
I think we're in need.
Yeah. We attended a couple of cooking demonstrations. You know, I missed out. I was busy doing other stuff with one of them.
Yeah, there was a lovely couple. The guy was a chef, and I'm so sorry, I forget their names, but Pete will put their channel and names above. And they did a Turkish dish, which I like to create myself, but I haven't done for a very long time. And it's encouraged me to think about doing it because it's really healthy and really simple. You can do in one pot. It just needs 3 ingredients: eggs, tomatoes, and peppers.
Scrambled eggs then?
No. It is my favourite, one of my favourite Turkish dishes, which I really miss, and that's menemen.
We also saw a demonstration by Kwoklyn Wan.
He tells us that he has a regular slot on Channel 4.
Yep.
Doing a cooking program, and he was showing us how to make Chinese food authentically, what ingredients to use, even down to flavourings and what oils to cook with. Unbeknown to me, and I don't know if anybody else knew this, but actually he is Gok Kwan's brother.
Oh, I didn't know.
And I think tonight we're actually going to try out some of the ingredients that he suggested and give a stir fry a go.
Yes, we will. As usual, and almost expected at festivals like this, we bumped into several other YouTubers that we had wanted to meet before, that we hadn't met before. So it was good to meet everybody that we met.
I attended a shamanic breath workshop.
I thought you knew how to breathe already.
All I'm going to say is it was definitely an experience, and I am going to be looking into it more. I felt the session empowered me, shall we say. By empowered, I mean I've now been given a key to research it and do more work with it if I want to.
All that remains to be said is thank you very much to Sophie and Mark for putting on the event. We really enjoyed it. And thanks for taking the time to have a brief chat with us. It was really appreciated.
We've got no other trips planned now until October, when we're doing a 3-week tour of Scotland. So we're really looking forward to that.
Yes, we are.
And we'll be posting on our social medias on a regular basis so that you can follow us on our journey.
Here's another video that we think you should have a look at.